Hey guys, and welcome back to Living Gratefully. If you're new here and don't know me yet, my name is Kathy and I love to clean, and cleaning gratefully is the best way to clean. I post a lot of videos on cleaning, decluttering, organizing, homemaking. So if you're looking for cleaning motivation and cleaning inspiration and all things making your home nice and comfortable and cozy, then be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can catch all Living Gratefully videos. Today I'm cleaning the living area and the dining room. I filmed this on a Friday after work and I need to do some dusting, straightening and wiping surfaces and vacuum and clean the floors. So I'll do that, and at the end of this video I want to share with you what we bought at Sam's Club, and I'll also do a try-on haul, so stay tuned for that.
Now that I'm looking back, I can see all the signs I tried to fill in the cracks that were spread in my mind, but I was all out of hope, lost in an endless maze. The emptiness had unfolded just like a void, but you broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. And ooh, I was done feeling hopeless, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold.
After I dust the blinds and surfaces, I'm going to wipe down the coffee table and clean off the remotes and coasters.
It's funny how easily a life can be torn apart. Why couldn't I simply see that I was sick at heart and I am in deep debt? The climb we did was unreal. You made me so speechless. I just can't believe it. You broke the coldness somehow and lit up a flame. And ooh, I was my own enemy, screamed out loud because it felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold. I rise from the ashes with pins and patches. We carry on. I rise from the ashes. I heal from your passion. My doubts are gone. Felt impossible in my bones, like getting blood out of the stone on my own. But you came around and removed the thorn in my soul. You guided me out of the storm. I found home in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold, in your arms of gold. I rise from the ashes with pins and patches. We carry on. I rise from the ashes. I heal from your passion.
I used a wet soapy rag to wipe this natural wood, and then I dried it with a microfiber cloth. We have always said that we wanted to paint and finish this table, like put a finish on it like polyurethane, but I also like the color the way it is, so it's hard to force yourself to change something when you like it the way it is.
Keep on talking to me. Don't you leave me by myself. There's something in the way you're moving. You can make me lose my breath. In a room of flashing lights, you pull me closer as we dance. It's you and midnight. Let's leave now and get undressed. Undressed. When you look in my eyes and holding me close, I know you won't let me down. For the rest of the night until break of dawn, baby, it's the two of us. I know you won't let me down.
We just moved this couch to the other side of the room, and when it was under the window, all these cords were behind the couch. So I kind of have to finagle this to make it look nice now that the couch is on the other side. And we had used some duct tape holding a cord on the power strip, and I needed to clean all that sticky residue off, and that actually took quite some time. This cord system must be really old because now I use the Velcro strips to hold the cords together instead of duct tape, and I love those Velcro strips.
From myself. In a room of flashing lights, you pull me closer as we dance. As we dance. It's you and midnight. You know we could get undressed. Undressed. When you look in my eyes and holding me close, I know you won't let me.
These are all the charging cords for all of my devices, but the most important cord in this setup is to my electric blanket. I picked this one up from Big Lots a few years ago. I used to use a lap size electric blanket, and those are great, but when I'm really cold, I want to really wrap up in it, so I like that this one is a twin size that would go on a bed, so I can get nice and cozy and warm when watching TV or lounging around on the couch.
You know you make me lose my breath. Just pull
Next, I'll head on over to wipe the areas in the dining room and get ready to vacuum and clean all the hardwood around the carpeted areas.
lose my breath. Just pull me closer, baby. You know we could get undressed. I know you won't let me down.
You can tell I absolutely love my white Christmas lights. I have them everywhere throughout the house, even in bathrooms, and I have them all on remotes so that we can turn them on and off while sitting on the couch. These remotes will be linked below in the description box. They are one of my absolute favorite Amazon purchases.
I bet you think that I should calm down, and that I'm overthinking everything about you, and that we're good the way we are. But I don't know that much about you. What things you like and what you don't. It's not that long since I met you for the first time. You know we should work it out. You know we should work it out. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? And will you let me down? I know I'm feeling something for you. The way you look, the way you laugh, and how you move. It kinda makes me go crazy. But we should take it slow, work things out so you don't let me go. When I come real close, I don't wanna get hurt, 'cause I'm not ready to give you my heart yet. Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? Will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, you should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down? Yeah. La 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 Before I'm too invested, I should probably ask you all my questions, get to know you better. Like, can you be trusted? Will you take me for granted? Will you let me down? Before I'm too invested, you should take it easy. Maybe we could test this and work out our feelings. Baby, will I love you? Tell me, do you want me? And will you let me down? Oh, here you are, face to face in this trashy bar. Another glass and I am going places. Makes me laugh about the irony of everything. I like the way you're thinking. I don't really care about the music on the dance floor. I don't really mind all the smokers in the bathroom. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, oh no, I don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me. Wanna go? I am all about adventure times. Another drink and I'll go anywhere. The way you smell, like a flash in the universe. You are illuminating. I don't really care about the people in the bar line. I don't really mind all the who goes doing stage dives. I don't care at all, baby. You got my attention. So you were saying, I don't see the logic of things. Even if I told you I could never let you go, I'm not so sure you believe me. But if I mean to show you, I will never let you go. No, 'cause you don't see the logic of things. It's quite a lonely world that we're living in. Oh baby, you are something special, I'm sure. Everything makes total sense when you're next to me.
This past Saturday morning, we went out on a little unplanned morning date. We stopped by Chick-fil-A and we wanted to try their chicken breakfast bowl, which was really good. And we picked up a few things from Sam's. All we needed were coffee pods, but we always find a little something extra at Sam's. We also had gone to Big Lots and a flooring store that morning. I got a few shots while we were in Sam's, and we liked this couch even though we don't need a new couch. And this blanket though, y'all know I can't pass up a soft blanket. And the clothes, we always have to browse around that section and see what they have. As far as the clothing items, I have passed up things in the past thinking, I'll think about that and maybe get that next time, but then when I go back, it's gone. So now I just go ahead and see if they have anything that we like. We can try it on and take it back if it doesn't fit or look good on me. All of these things fit though, so it was a good Sam's clothing day. I wanted to try out the Zen leggings, and I picked up several tops for me, some cute fall items, and one tank top. And I got some socks and a few shirts for Scott.
Watch me under the light, so keep me in your sight, 'cause I can do this all night. You can call it what you want, I got something else in mind. Oh, if it's you I've been waiting for, I better make you worth my time. So don't you pay them any mind, close your eyes, follow the sound. Keep it coming through the night, we don't need to slow down. Take it all, I'll give you what you need. If you stay with me, I'll love you in the dark. So shine on, don't lose your spark. Show me what you got. Let your colors burn. Let your colors burn now.
We also picked up some paper towels. Everybody needs that kind of stuff from Sam's. And we got the coffee pads that we needed. And we got some pecans for the upcoming fall baking season. And we also snack on those. We went ahead and bought 2 packs of the coffee pods. We only drink 3 pods per day, but this way we won't have to go back for a while. And next I'll try on the Sam's clothes for you so you can see what they look like on me.
Don't you pay them any mind, close your eyes, follow the sound. Keep it coming through the night, we don't need to slow down. Take it all, I'll give you what you need. If you stay with me, I'll love you in the dark. So shine on, don't lose your spark. Show me what you got. Let your colors burn. So take it all, I'll give you what you need. If you stay with me, I'll love you in the dark. So shine on, don't lose your spark. Show me what you got. Let your colors burn.
Thank you guys for joining me today for this Clean With Me video and a quick Sam's Club try-on haul. I hope you enjoyed the video, and if you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe if you're new. I'd love to have you join the Living Gratefully family. I love responding to comments, so please leave a comment and let me know what you think about the Sam's Club items, or if you're new, let's just get to know each other. I'm also on Instagram as Kathy_living_gratefully, so please follow me over there as well, and I'll see y'all next time. Bye!